we're incredibly dependent on electricity in every aspect of our lives. I don't think we understand how vulnerable that makes us. There's a massive concentration of energy sources. I mean, from power stations, purchasing energy from foreign countries. It's very hard to predict the cost of the future of energy. Renewable energy microgrids provides societal, environmental, and financial incentives for individuals and the communities they live in to control and manage their energy.
I had a concept of looking at rooftop energy production from housing associations, individual houses and businesses. You could use the combined generation along with battery storage, then trade energy between the individual buildings.
The UK's national power grid has a problem essentially. It was designed for one-directional delivery of power from centralised generation to local consumption. But these days, with homes like the ones we're building, where you've got decentralised generation, power needs to move in two directions, with the grid and with other homes.
All microgrid technology developers will eventually run up against the same problems if they're using traditional blockchain technologies to manage their microgrids. There simply isn't enough bandwidth to do the number of transactions needed, and the amount of energy required for those transactions will get to a point where you're negating the energy benefit from running a microgrid.
Hedera is the only platform we've come across that can cope with the volume of transactions that need to take place. These are split-second transactions that are happening thousands of times to enable that local generation to be fed into a system that wasn't designed for it in the first place.
Each home is going to generate electricity and it's going to be tokenized and stored in the Hedera virtual wallets. And from that point, homeowners are at liberty to trade peer-to-peer with other members of the Hedera network. Governments had a bit of a knee-jerk reaction to cryptocurrencies and the technology behind it. But our product using Hedera specializes in structured data reporting. We have two database architectures, and the analytics are extracted automatically from these databases. They provide tailored reports for various types of stakeholders. Government regulators require structured data reporting, and we could provide it for them directly, automatically.
This project is about mass empowerment and democratization of energy. By the implementation of microgrids and using Hedera Hashgraph, what we're able to do is give something back to the people that use the energy, wherever they may be in the world.